Ready to make a pineapple chicken rice bowl? Let's get started. But first, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you don't miss any videos. You want to cut your pineapple in half and take off the end pieces. I'm just cutting along the edges about a half an inch away from the outside. By doing this, we are creating a vessel for the chicken and rice. Once you're done with the outer edge, I like to make the incisions in the middle into squares, and then I like to use a spoon and a knife to scoop them out. I first start with a spoon. Be careful not to puncture all the way through the pineapple. This is very delicate work, so please take your time when scooping out the pineapple. In a separate bowl, you're going to want to add the pineapple that you're scooping out because we're going to use this for the stir-fried rice. So here I'm using a knife just to make sure that I get the stem out because this is the hardest part of the pineapple. After cutting underneath, then you can use your spoon to scoop out the rest of the pineapple pieces. We're almost at the finish line in creating our pineapple bowl. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can when scooping out the flesh. Just be very careful because you can easily poke right through the pineapple. I'm just adding the finishing touches just to make sure that I got as much as the pineapple flesh out as I can. And voila, we have our hollowed out pineapple bowl. Just in case you missed it, or you don't feel like scrolling back, or you fast forwarded, I'm just doing it again. I always love to experiment and try different things in the kitchen. This is what makes cooking fun. I'm adding boneless chicken thighs into a food processor. This is going to give me a minced consistency. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. I'm just going to season and mix well. It's time to prepare our ginger. I like to peel my ginger by using the edge of a knife and scraping the skin off. You can also use a spoon if you would like. If you would like to check out my Instagram, it's at myhealthyfoodquest. It's time to cut our ginger into what we call a brunoise cut. So first you slice the ginger into slices, and then you cut those slices into what we call a julienne cut, and this is what a brunoise cut looks like. It's time to prepare our scallions. Just make sure you cut off the stems. I like to cut horizontally through the white part like this. This is just my preferred way of cutting the scallions for this type of dish. I'm just smashing the garlic to flatten it, and then I'm just gonna go through it with a very rough, coarse chop. Remember the pineapple that I told you to save? Now it's time to bring it out. I'm just going to coarsely chop through the pineapple. The time has come to stir fry. In a hot pan, you're gonna add your oil, and then you're gonna add your eggs to the hot oil. I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. You can use 3, 2, 1, or none. I'm just gently mixing the eggs into the oil. I am using leftover cooked rice that I had the night before. As you can see, this rice is cold. I'm just breaking up the clumps, and then I'm going to mix it well to reheat with the eggs. Once you mix your rice and the eggs thoroughly, you're just going to transfer to another bowl. Keeping the flame on, add more oil, and this is when we're going to add our seasoned chicken to the pan. Here, we're just going to make sure that we cook the chicken thoroughly. Because it's minced, we just want to make sure that we break it up. It's time to add your garlic and mix well. Now it's time to add the scallions and chopped pineapples. Mix everything together thoroughly. Add back your cooked rice and eggs. I decided to add some frozen peas to this just because I wanted to get rid of some of the vegetables that I had lying around. You can add anything you want to this dish. Be creative. I'm adding ponzu sauce. I just love the flavor profile and that yuzu citrus. Try not to use too much because this soy sauce does contain salt. I'm just mixing thoroughly to make sure that everything gets coated with the soy sauce. We have reached the finish line. It's time to serve your stir-fried chicken rice into your hollowed out pineapple bowls. I just want to thank everyone for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment and let me know if you like this dish and if it worked for you. I'm just adding some pumpkin seeds for some extra fiber.